She's got a marvelous sense of humor. She's a great intellect. She's a lot of fun. She's a multi-talented lady.
She really, truly is a non-judgmental person. But I think that's what makes her a good judge.
Everything that she does, she brings this incisive intelligence to bear on it.
I was born in Turner Valley and then grew up in Edmonton. Started actually to dance when I was about 4 years old, started tap dancing. For some reason I always wanted to be a lawyer from the time that I was about 11 or 12. My mother was an early feminist. I've always had this suspicion that when I was young she put a tape recorder under my bed that played over and over and over when I was sleeping. I want to be a lawyer, I want to be a lawyer. When I was at law school, I was lucky enough to be involved with student legal services, and during the summers we worked in some of the less privileged areas in Edmonton and got to help people and even go to court with them.
Donna sent us out an invitation when she became a provincial court judge in Vancouver, and I said to my husband, we're going to New Westminster. So we flew out and surprised her. When the back doors of the courtroom opened and in came the judges, and in came Donna, and oh, there she is, and she goes like this. I thought, what's she doing? Who is she looking at? And she was looking right at me in this moment of specialness for her, becoming that the ceremony was all about her. To do that when she entered the courtroom, to me, just, that's Donna.
It was through her leadership that we changed from an adversarial-based system to one of mediation, where family cases are resolved without the necessity of a lawsuit.
Everybody who was coming to the court with contentious issues would meet with the judge in an informal setting to begin with, to try to help people solve problems without having to go to court. I've also focused on equality issues, particularly gender equality issues.
I would say she is perhaps one of the leading, if not the leading, judge in Canada when it comes to family matters.
My son, who's now 22, said to me, Mom, I would never want to be a judge or a lawyer because all you do is work. You don't have a life. And I thought, you know, he's right. And I went right back to that age 4 tap dancing.
When Donna first came to our group, we were really quite surprised that a Supreme Court judge wanted to come and tap with us, but then we found out that she's tapped all her life, and she was a cheerleader and she did baton twirling, and she's just like everybody else. You know, she's not, we forget that she's a judge. I boss her around.
I fell in love with the group and I've been with them ever since. I am so glad that my son said that to me. I would encourage everyone to not give up their passions, their non-work passions.
She really has her heart and mind set on leaving this place just a little bit better than she found it, and she's certainly doing it.